Crypto fam, are you ready to witness history? Because what I'm about to show you is absolutely insane. XRP just triggered something that has never happened before in its entire history, and when you combine that with Cardano's secret Rlusd plan I'm about to drop, we could be looking at the beginning of the most explosive altcoin season ever. Here, let's watch this first video.
Of the day. The XRP to Bitcoin price ratio forming its first golden cross on the weekly chart, signaling a bullish shift
by over 100 million users worldwide.
Let's take a look at the chart of the day. The XRP to Bitcoin price ratio forming its first golden cross on the weekly chart, signaling a bullish shift as the 50-week simple moving average crossed above the 200-week average, according to CoinDesk analyst Amkarga. This technical pattern suggests XRP's short-term trend is outperforming Bitcoin's, increasing the likelihood of a breakout from its 4-year sideways channel. BitGet Research's chief analyst Ryan Lee telling CoinDesk that a potential dip in Bitcoin dominance could kick off a broader alt season, with XRP and Solana in prime position to benefit, buoyed by ETF speculation. Lee pointed to XRP's improving regulatory clarity and recent technical breakout patterns as reasons traders are eyeing a move toward $3 to $8 in the medium term.
All right, welcome to Goldrush Crypto Daily. I'm Goldrush, your guide to crushing it in crypto. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell right now because this intel could make you rich. I'm looking at an article right here, and it's titled, XRP Weekly Chart Forms First Ever Golden Cross. Here's top traders' breakout target. First ever golden cross. Can you even believe it? XRP Governor, a prominent crypto influencer on X, has drawn attention to a recent technical development in the XRP to Bitcoin, XRP/BTC, trading pair, highlighting the potential for a substantial price move. Sharing a clip from a CoinDesk report featuring lead anchor Christine Lee, XRP Governor drew attention to a predicted surge to $8, stating, "The breakout could be closer than anyone thinks." $8? Are you kidding me? This isn't just a pump. This is a technical confirmation of a massive, long-term trend reversal. The whales are positioning themselves. The smart money is moving in, and XRP is about to explode. They don't want you to know this, but XRP is gearing up to dominate the altcoin market. At the center of the discussion is XRP/BTC's first ever golden cross on the weekly chart, a technical formation where the 50-week simple moving average, SMA, crosses above the 200-week SMA. This is generally interpreted as a bullish indicator, suggesting that XRP's short-term momentum is now stronger than its long-term trend, relative to Bitcoin. First ever golden cross. This isn't just any golden cross. This is a weekly golden cross. That's like finding a diamond the size of your head. This is a long-term signal, a confirmation that XRP is breaking out of a multi-year consolidation. This isn't a flash in the pan. This is the beginning of a sustained, parabolic move. The chart, analyzed by CoinDesk's Amkarga, also shows that XRP has broken out of a 4-year-long consolidation channel against BTC. This extended period of sideways movement between resistance and support levels has now given way to upward price action. The breakout and formation of the golden cross are signals that XRP may be entering a new bullish phase. 4-year consolidation. This is like a coiled spring, ready to unleash its energy. XRP has been suppressed, held down, but now it's breaking free. This isn't just about making money. It's about justice. It's about XRP finally getting the recognition it deserves. And this golden cross? This is the starting gun. Ryan Lee, chief analyst at BitGet Research, emphasized the potential broader implications of this movement. Speaking to CoinDesk, Lee noted that a reduction in Bitcoin dominance could support the start of an altcoin rally. Experts have shown that reduced Bitcoin dominance usually gives way to altcoin surges. Lee suggested that XRP and Solana are particularly well-positioned to benefit from this shift, aided partly by ongoing speculation around the potential for cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds ETFs. Altcoin rally. XRP leading the charge. This isn't just about XRP going to $8. This is about XRP paving the way for a massive surge across the entire altcoin market. And ETFs? That's just the fuel to the fire. This is institutional money waiting to flood into XRP, and they can't wait any longer. Lee also pointed to XRP's evolving regulatory landscape and recent breakout patterns as supporting factors for renewed investor interest. As a result, He suggested traders are increasingly targeting medium-term price levels between $3 and $8 for XRP. $3 to $8. These aren't just analyst predictions. These are targets. These are the levels that the smart money is aiming for. And with the regulatory clarity finally emerging, the path is clear for XRP to explode. They tried to hold it down. They tried to bury it. But XRP is rising from the ashes, stronger than ever. But hold up. The XRP news is just the beginning. Because what if I told you that XRP is about to get a massive power-up, a game-changing alliance that could send it even higher? Get ready for this.
We did reach out and talk to the Rlusd team. And our first meeting that we had last year, they said, look, we just launched, come back in March. And they've been clearly moving through. And I think the big issue that XRP is running into is, will Circle be acquired or not? Because this radically changes the entire strategic lens and roadmap of Rlusd. If they were successful in acquiring Circle, and I've heard rumors of an up to $11 billion acquisition, then Rlusd would probably merge with it, and then it would be a completely different ballgame on how listing is done. What we told them is, look, we're here to help. We believe XRP DeFi is very important, and obviously a stablecoin is a huge component of that. We would like to find a path to get Rlusd on Cardano. What they said is, in principle, it sounds interesting, but a lot of things have to be figured out about, well, how exactly would that work, and how would integration work in these other things?
All right, fam, let's talk about a partnership that could reshape the entire crypto landscape. We're talking about Cardano and Ripple, two giants joining forces. This article is titled, Cardano founder says Rlusd may join ADA, but strategy hinges on Circle acquisition. This isn't just a collaboration. This is a potential crypto superpower. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has confirmed that discussions are ongoing between his team and the developers of Ripple.USD, Rlusd, as integration efforts into the Cardano ecosystem continue. Speaking during a recent livestream, Hoskinson addressed questions about whether Rlusd would go live on Cardano by year-end. He clarified that early talks had taken place in the previous year. Cardano and Ripple, working together. This is like the Avengers of crypto. Two massive communities, two incredible technologies, uniting to create something even bigger. This isn't just about price. This is about building a better future for crypto, a future where we're not fighting each other, but working together to dismantle the old system. According to Hoskinson, a major factor influencing Rlusd's roadmap is the speculation surrounding Circle's future. He noted that there are ongoing talks about a possible acquisition of Circle by Ripple, reportedly valued at around $11 billion. Ripple acquiring Circle? $11 billion. This is a power play of epic proportions. This could give Ripple even more control over the stablecoin market, and integrating Rlusd into Cardano. That's like adding rocket fuel to an already powerful engine. This is the kind of move that the banks and regulators are terrified of. Charles Hoskinson stated that the Cardano team had offered to support the integration of Rlusd onto Cardano at no cost. He emphasized that XRP DeFi is viewed as an important area, with stablecoins playing a critical role in that ecosystem. Cardano offering support at no cost. This isn't about greed. This is about building a better ecosystem. This is about collaboration, about working together to create a decentralized future. They see the potential of XRP DeFi, and they're willing to put their resources on the line to make it happen. In parallel with the Rlusd discussions, Cardano has taken steps to incorporate XRP into its ecosystem. As previously reported in April, crypto users would soon be able to store, send, and receive XRP through Cardano's Lace wallet, a non-custodial Web3 interface. Storing, sending, and receiving XRP through Cardano's Lace wallet. This is seamless integration. This is making XRP even more accessible, even more powerful. This is building bridges, not walls, between different crypto communities. This is the future of interoperability, and it's happening right now. Cardano's Midnight blockchain, designed with privacy in mind, was considered as a bridge to support both Bitcoin and XRP. According to Hoskinson, this form of technical support would not only help those ecosystems but also potentially increase Cardano's total value locked, TVL, projecting a scale beyond that of Solana and Ethereum combined. Cardano's Midnight blockchain, supporting Bitcoin and XRP. This is the ultimate alliance. This is bridging the gaps between the biggest players in crypto. This isn't just about XRP. This is about building a unified front against the traditional financial system, and a TVL that surpasses Solana and Ethereum combined. This is about to be a game changer, fam. So there you have it, crypto fam. XRP is on the verge of a massive breakout, fueled by a golden cross and the potential for a game-changing alliance with Cardano. This isn't just about making money. This is about witnessing history. This is about two titans of crypto joining forces to build a decentralized future, a future where we control our own finances. Smash that like button if you're bullish, subscribe to Goldrush Crypto Daily, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single golden nugget of alpha. And tell me in the comments below. Are you ready for XRP to hit $8 and for Cardano and Ripple to change the world? This ain't financial advice, but crypto's gonna make us rich. Stay bullish. Peace out.